Du er så sjov, mor. You are so funny, Mom. Do you know that? You are so funny.
I am funny.
But Mom, you know, it's Ramadan, right? And I was wondering. Mom, I was wondering. Okay.
You always wonder.
I was thinking, since you're here...
Oh, don't spral. What is his English?
Since you're here in my home now, I was thinking you could try fasting with me tomorrow.
No, I'm hungry. I want to eat. No, I'm fasting the whole night when I'm sleeping.
I think you should try and fast tomorrow. It's not that long.
Nogle gange så faster jeg faktisk også, hvis jeg spiser aftensmad kl. 6, og så faster jeg hele aften, og så noget om morgenen.
Jamen, du skal faste fra daggry til solnedgang. Fra cirka klokken 4-ish til klokken 18.30.
Jeg faster faktisk 16 timer nogle gange.
Jamen, så har du ikke nogen problemer med at gøre det om dagen, jo.
Det er fordi, så sover jeg jo, mens jeg faster.
Så sov hele dagen. Jeg ved det ikke.
Gamle ryg.